Hello, everyone, and welcome. First of all, I want to thank you for your interest in ArcFi. Whether you're watching this because someone introduced you to ArcFi, you're exploring new opportunities, or you're simply curious about what we're building, I genuinely appreciate your time. My name is Zane Bart, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of ArcFi. For more than about 50 years, my career has been centered around financial markets, trading technologies, data analytics, and building intelligent financial systems. Throughout the journey, I've worked across foreign exchange trading, financial strategy, corporate finance, and technology-driven innovation. Every role I've taken has helped shape the vision of ultimately became ArcFi. But actually, this presentation isn't really about me. It's about why we chose to build ArcFi, the problems we set out to solve, and how we believe artificial intelligence and autonomous financial infrastructure can fundamentally change the way people interact with digital finance. From the very beginning, our goal has never been built to just another trading platform. Above everything, we wanted to make a difference in the industry. We wanted to build a real infrastructure technology designed to think, adapt, and execute with consistency while making advanced financial systems more accessible to people around the whole world. So, over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the journey. I'll explain how ArbiMind works, how was created, and why ArcFi exists, and the vision we are building for the future. So, thank you so much again, and let's get started. Why we built ArcFi? If we're being honest, ArcFi didn't begin with the goal of creating just another crypto company. It began with just a simple question. Why have financial markets become so advanced, yet the average person still has a very limited access to the same level of technology used by institutions? Over the years, we spent a great deal of time studying financial markets and watching technology, how it was transforming the industry. We saw artificial intelligence becoming more capable, automation becoming more intelligent, and data processing becoming faster than ever before. At the same time, guys, we also saw that many people entering digital finance were still relying on emotion, guesswork, or manual trading decisions. Some succeeded, but most of them struggled because they simply didn't have access to the right tools or infrastructure. That became the turning point for us. Instead of asking how we could build another investment platform, we started asking a different question. What if we built the technology first? What if we could create an intelligent financial engine capable of analyzing markets, identifying opportunities, managing risk, and executing strategies autonomously before we ever thought about building a company around it? So this decision changed everything. We chose to focus on building the core infrastructure first. We spent years developing the technology, testing it, refining it, and continuously improving it to make sure it is consistently performing before introducing it to the public. Only after we were confident in what we have built, ArcFi began to take shape. Because our philosophy has always been simple. A company should never come before the product itself. So the technology should come first, and then the company should be built around it, which delivers the real value. So the philosophy continues to guide every decision we make today. So the problem we set out to solve. As we looked deeper into passive income industry, we realized the challenge wasn't a lack of opportunities. The real challenge here was a lack of trust, transparency, and technology. Too many people have been expected to commit their capital without really understanding how the value is being created, guys. So other have had to rely on emotion, market timing, or strategies they couldn't verify for themselves. So we believe that there had to be a better way. So our vision was to build a technology-driven infrastructure where intelligent systems could do the heavy lifting, analyzing market data, identifying opportunities, and executing strategies with consistency while giving users great visibility into the platform what is doing. So we weren't interested in building something that simplifies and follow trends. We wanted to build a technology that could evolve, improve, and create a long-term value. So this vision became the foundation of everything we built, and it ultimately led to the creation of ArbiMind. how ArbiMind works. So what exactly is ArbiMind? The easiest way to think about is an intelligent AI market analysis engine that continuously monitors and interprets the cryptocurrency market in real time. So unlike a traditional trading bot that simply just follows the fixed set of rules, ArbiMind itself is designed to constantly analyze changing market conditions. It also monitors liquidity movements, price inefficiencies, volatility, trading patterns, and market activity across multiple exchanges and decentralized environments, which are looking for high profitability trading opportunities. When ArbiMind identifies a favorite market setup, it generates a trading signal and it communicates this opportunity to our autonomous AI agents. So these agents actually then execute the trades on these decentralized trading venues, such as Hyperliquid, without manually requiring intervention. One of these questions we often receive is, how do we know these trades are actually real? That's a good question, guys. So that's actually why we created ArbiMind demonstration. In the demo, we show you the ArbiMind engine operating in real time alongside the trading account, which is connected to it. So you can see the trades generated by the engine itself, and you can also verify those same transactions on the blockchain and see them reflected on our live trade feed, which is displayed on our website. So the purpose of this demonstration is very simple, to show you guys that the activity being reported is not simulated or fictional. These trades displayed on our platform originate from ArbiMind engine. They are executed through the connected trading infrastructure and can be independently verified through the blockchain. So that's the level of transparency we believe modern financial technology should provide. So as we've shared throughout this presentation, everything is built based on three core values: security, transparency, and sustainability. Security is one of the highest priority for us. We have built strong security measures into both ArbiMind and ArcFi platform. Our systems are supported by very much experienced cybersecurity engineers, advanced security software, and continuous monitoring to help detect and prevent potential threats. As new technology and new risks emerge, we will continue improving our security to keep our platform as safe as possible for you guys. So transparency is just as important. That's why we don't tell people these trades are happening and to show them. So in our ArbiMind demonstration, you can watch the AI engine identify a trading opportunity, see the trade executed itself in the trading account, and then you can verify the transaction on the blockchain and see the same trade appearing on our live trade feed. So we believe people should be able to see and verify how our technology works. We also believe that long-term success comes from building real technology, not from just making big promises. So the financial world is always changing and this technology is always improving. So that's why we are committed to continuously improving ArbiMind strengthening and our infrastructure and developing new features that make our platform smarter, safer, and efficient. As we look to the future, guys, our vision for ArcFi goes far beyond where we are right now today. Our goal is to build ArcFi into a billion-dollar company by continuing to create products which are bringing real value to the company. One of our biggest priorities is building a strong global community. We believe that no technology succeeds without the people who support it. That's why listening to our users, improving their experience, and delivering on the promises will always be the center of everything we do. Their success and satisfaction are our number one priority, and we are fully committed to earning the trust every step of the way. And as our community continues to grow, so will our ecosystem. Over the next year, we'll begin introducing new technologies that we are already developing. One of those is our pump detector, an AI-powered tool designed to help users identify potential market opportunities. We also are building a range of B2B applications that businesses and communities will be able to access through a subscription-based model, giving them powerful tools to support their day-to-day operations and growth. Looking further ahead, once we've built a very strong and active community, we also plan to introduce ArcFi token, which will become an important part of our ecosystem and future development. So this is only part of our roadmap. We have many, many more ideas and technologies and services which we are planning to bring out for ArcFi in the next years. So our focus is to continue building, continue innovating, and continue creating value for everyone who becomes part of this journey. So on behalf of the entire ArcFi team, thank you so much for taking the time to learn about who we are, what we have been built before and now, and where we are heading. We know that trust is earned, and we are committed to earning the trust through transparency, continuous innovation, and delivering products that make a real difference. This is just the beginning, guys, of our journey, and we are very much excited about the future which we are building right now. Thank you so much for being here today. We truly appreciate your support and time, and we would look forward to welcoming you in the ArcFi community.